of my toys, but which kind? Maybe in here? Whoa. I know what I can do. I'm gonna take out my squishies. Oh my gosh. Ugh, so many. Ooh, squishies! Oh, I love squishies. Oh, Rainbow Cat. Pushing. My favorite. Is this the doorbell? Wait, where did all my squishies go? Better go see who's at the door. I wonder where my mom's at. What is this? Why is it open? Did the mailman look in the box? Who left this? Whatever. I'm gonna go see what's inside. Can't wait to see what's inside. Ooh, what is this? Are these Rainbocorns? Ooh, they're serious too. Oh, this horn is so pretty. Oh, 10 surprises? I wonder how many's in here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are these stickers? Ooh. They're sequins. I'm so excited! Ooh, fluffy. There's a gold flamingocorn and it's ultra rare. Wonder if I can find that. Ooh, hopefully I can. Oh, which one should I open first? This one. This one's super pretty. Okay. So there are 10 surprises. There is a sweet scented Rainbocorn, so that probably means it's scented. Ooh, Rainbocorn poop, which is slime. Then there's a surprise accessory. Boo-boo corns. Ooh, you can put those on your pencil. And stickers and more. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, I need to open this, right? So, oh, it's so pretty. Gotta take all the plastic off first. Oh, too bad I didn't wait to do a video. I'm so excited! Let's see what the magical little messages. A rainbow poop. I wonder what that could be. Okay, let's open. 3, 2, 1, karate chop. Ooh, it smells really good too. Oh, it kind of smells plasticky and good at the same time. It's weird. Chemicals. Okay. Oh, it has a cute little tail, cotton candy tail. Oh, it's a little horse. It has a little horseshoe. Ooh, I wonder what it'd look like with the message. Let's see what surprises there are. All right, so there is the Rainbocorn poop, which is slime. And then we have the little boo-boo corn. I think I'm gonna open that. Oh, look how cute it is. And it has a little hole right here where you can put it on your pencil. So cute, and it's so adorable. I love it. All right, and it comes with this cute little egg. I got some stickers, so pretty. This is the golden flamingo. I want that one. And we got some accessories. So I'm gonna open that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I love these things. I love these things so much. Oh goodness. It has a cute little charm of what I got. So cute, I love it. All right, but now I gotta open the slime. Oh, it feels like cotton candy cuties. That's the texture I'm feeling. Cotton candy cuties. Oh, you can mix these together. I think what you're supposed to do is, it ripped off, so that's kind of bad. think you're supposed to twirl it like that and then mix it, of course. So amazing. So let's try with a bigger piece. Okay, so we gotta swirl this. So swirl, swirl, swirl. That's the best swirl I can come up with. All right, and then we gotta mix it. This feels just like cotton candy cuties. And it smells just like it too. I gotta open another one to see if I get the golden flamingo. All right, let's do this. Okay, I pick this one. All right, let's open it up. All right, so we gotta get the, oh no, we gotta pull right here. It's like a round chip. All right, so gotta open this. Okay, so there is actually a message that comes in each one, and is I love palm trees, I think. All right, so palm trees, flamingo. Oh my gosh, what if I get the golden one? There's also a rainbow one, and I really want the rainbow one. Okay. I can't even rip it open. Ah! Okay. Let's see what the message is. Oh, it's not the golden one. That's all right. It is a pineapple. 3, 2, 1, karate chop. I got it! I got the rainbow flamingo. This is the one that I always. I can't even talk. This is the one that I was hoping for, not the golden one, but this one. Yes! I am so excited. Okay, so let's open the little accessories. I'm just so happy. 3, 2, 1, and the little rainbow flamingo is so fluffy. Oh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, so now I wonder if the slime's the same. Let's just see. Yep, it's the same. So we'll do that later. All right, next thing is the little thing. All right, the boo-boo corn. It's a little baby flamingo. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. All right, so happy I got this one. I'm like so happy right now. All right. Should I open another one? Yes. All right. Next one, I'm gonna open this, a really cute one. So let's see. I love sun. I love stars, sun. I don't know. Well, I'm just so happy I got that one. All right. So let's open it up. Let's open this up. All right. Gotta open this up. I wonder if I'll get the golden flamingo. I don't know. All right. Let's see. This is the last time I opened. Ah, no, not the golden flamingo. That's all right. All right. So here is the little message. Oh, and I have that little message on a sticker. That's cool. 3, 2, 1. Karate chop. My cousin Jaden wanted this one, and I got it. I wanted this one too. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This is so cute. All right. Ooh. Smells like grape. I love it. All right, so let's see the little accessory. Got the little sticker, so pretty. All right. Ooh. Oh, this one's so pretty. All right. Now, I wonder if this slime's the same. Ah, I think all of them are the same. That's all right. It's so amazing to play with. All right, now let's see the boo-boo corn. So adorable. So cute. All right, so I think that's... This is the best day ever! This is the best day! Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day. Whoa. That was a crazy dream. What? It's not a dream. It wasn't a dream! Where'd my rainbocorns go? This is me, Aubrey. I hope you guys liked this skit. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, click that bell, ding, until next time. Peace out.